What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I've got another 6-in-1 mock to show you guys. And yeah, it would be this Toyota Hilux. But of course this isn't just any Toyota Hilux. Yeah, a lot of you guys might have recognized this truck from another YouTuber.
This was labeled by Top Gear as the world's most indestructible truck. So we bought one.
That's right everybody, I of course built Whistlindiesels Toyota Hilux. Basically, it started when he watched some videos from Top Gear saying that like the Toyota Hilux is one of the world's most indestructible truck, which of course he had to test. Yeah, so we ended up testing one, and he actually even dropped it off a helicopter, so that Hilux is no longer with us. But recently, he actually posted a video where he bought like 4 more, and yeah, that pretty much just like sparks my interest in building this. As some of you may know, I kind of made another Hilux like a while ago back in the winter. It was like a gray single cab long bed one. Ever since I built that, I also kind of knew I had to build one like this. So this is of course a dual cab short bed truck. And yeah, it's actually like a very like foreign configuration, at least I found. They all seem to have these like dual cabs with a really short bed with the wheel kind of tucked forwards. Pretty much what I recreated here. And even though it is a dual cab, it's actually my shortest truck by far. Like if you compare it to this K30 right here, which is a single cab long bed, this thing is just like way shorter. Which it probably was in real life because it's of course like a compact truck. Of course the front end here is like very similar to my old Hilux mock because it's obviously both a Hilux. But this one's based off of like a newer kind of truck, so I had to upgrade it a bit. The bumper now has these like grills here, as well as the like side marker lights, or these like quarter plates, I'm pretty sure that's what they're called, to give it the look I was going for, because this one is a 1989 one, my other one was a 1985 one. Moving on to the side here, we've also got these mud flaps, as well as these chrome running boards, which would actually be on the real one, as well as this like little roll bar back here, which kind of took me like a few iterations to make. I was kind of like trying these like really complex designs with all these like little bar pieces until I found this big like squarish piece in my bin, and I realized it was kind of the perfect shape, so I just used that, and it turned out like much better than my other design. This actually brings me to my next point, which is the color of this truck. As yeah, I did build it in this dark red or reddish brown, not actually sure what Lego calls it. But yeah, I did have to order like all of these parts basically because I didn't actually have any of them lying around in my collection. So yeah, that's a bit of a drawback as the parts aren't super accessible. You definitely can build this in other colors like light bluish gray, black or white, or just, you know, like any more common colors. And yeah, because the pieces are a bit hard to find, I might actually sell this as a kit on my website. I already actually put up my gray Hilux up there, so if you want to purchase that, it's up on my website. But yeah, I mean, I guess let me know in the comments if you want to see a kit version of this. Yeah, last thing I will mention is I know I've been making like a lot of truck content lately on this channel. And yeah, there is going to be another truck actually coming pretty soon, which is going to be the 5th gen. Don't worry if you're like more of like a car fan, because I do have a car coming soon on the channel that I'm about to order the parts for actually. So yeah, that should come maybe like next week or the week after, I'm not sure. With all that being said, let's move on to the build tutorial for this truck.